Once upon a time, in a picturesque garden, there lived two exquisite flowers, Jasmine and Lotus. They were known throughout the garden for their grace and beauty. One sunny morning, a curious girl named Lily visited the garden. She was captivated by the delicate fragrance of Jasmine and the striking elegance of Lotus. Lily plucked Jasmine from her stem, intending to take her home. Jasmine was filled with sorrow as she was separated from her home and her dear friend Lotus. Meanwhile, Lotus observed this from the pond with deep concern. She knew that Jasmine and Lily could be happy together, but she also missed her friend dearly. Lotus decided to reach out to Lily, gently saying, "Dear Lily, I see you have chosen Jasmine's beauty to bring into your life. She is indeed lovely, but please remember the garden she came from and the friends she left behind." Lily paused, her heart touched by Lotus's words. She realized that her action had consequences beyond her own desire for beauty. Lily decided to return Jasmine to her rightful place in the garden. She carefully replanted Jasmine's roots, and soon, Jasmine was back with her dear friend Lotus. The flowers were overjoyed to be reunited, and Lily learned a valuable lesson about respecting the beauty and balance of nature. She left the garden with a deeper understanding of the importance of appreciating beauty in its natural context. The moral of the story is that true beauty is not found in possession, but in appreciating and preserving the beauty that already exists in the world around us. It teaches us to respect and protect the delicate balance of nature and the bonds of friendship that make life more beautiful.